How to create folders in Outlook 2016. This video assumes you already have an existing email account and it's configured in Outlook. Now let's learn how to create folders for organizing our messages. Click the Folders tab. Then click New Folder. Enter the name of the folder. Choose what type of content the folder will contain. Highlight the location in which you want the new folder to be located, then click OK. That's all there is to it. The new folder has been created and can be seen here. You can drag messages from your inbox to a folder, or even set up email rules so that messages will automatically be sent to specific folders as they arrive. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create folders in Outlook.